Hello, friends. Running Kimono here. So it is Saturday, October the 21st, and I wanted to make this video because I thought it was really important. If you've been following the news or even social media, a lot of employees have been sounding off on this, along with if you're a user of Reddit, lots of employees have been talking about this as well, that Walgreens potentially either going to go on a strike or have a walkout later this month. How does that affect the everyday shopper, and what is this all about? Like right before Columbus Day, I think it was the Monday of, so like around the 9th, I remember being in a store and some guy talking to one of the cashiers at the front and saying, "Are you guys striking today? What's going on?" And this lady just looked at him and she's like, "I have no idea what you're talking about." And I kind of looked at him too and thought, what is he talking about? Because I hadn't heard anything about this. But as the weeks have been progressing throughout the United States, some stores have been doing walkouts in specifically the pharmacy area. So not the retail store that us couponers shop at, but specifically the pharmacy area, which is typically towards the back of the store. A lot of stores have been doing little, demonstrations where they have been walking out because of simply working conditions where they are on their feet for 8 hours and just, working around the clock, running the counter, filling prescriptions, dealing with vaccines, dealing with customers who have no idea about how to use the Walgreens app because they want everybody to get their prescriptions now through the app. And if you're older, that's a challenge. You might spend maybe an hour with a senior citizen trying to help them out, and it's still, they're not sure. It's a lot. And then a lot of Walgreens also have care clinics, or like a clinic inside of the store. There's about, I think, two or three near me, and they started building them inside the store, gosh, about in the summertime. And I thought, how is that going to work? Well, there's a doctor in there, and I guess the pharmacy staff also have to work in there as well. So how much more do they have to do in an 8 hour shift? That's what it's boiling down to. And the employees, they want their voices to be heard with this, with Walgreens. And I understand also that CVS also might be right behind them as well with this. If you look it up on any news site, there's a lot of stories populated about this. So I've heard both strike and walkout. And I also heard that it's supposed to happen towards Halloween or the 1st of November. So if you are anything like me, that you get your prescriptions filled over at Walgreens because it's convenient, it's the pharmacy that's around, it's just easy. If you need your medication towards, end of the month, or if you need a refill, I would recommend to do it soon, because you don't want to be stuck with, some sort of like, how long is this going to last? It's unknown. Is it going to happen? That's also unknown. It just still might be business as usual, because this is a lot of chatter right now, but a lot of it has surfaced. And a lot of the employees are really sounding off on Reddit. If you're over there, I would recommend to go and read, because it's really, they're being quite forthright and honest of their feelings of the whole situation. So I would definitely go and investigate that. And if you have your prescriptions, maybe ask at your doctor's office, like, what's going on. You have the alternative to, if there's a smaller like grocery store or possibly Walmart, those two options. And the more that you research this, even if you just do a quick little search, any browser, Google, I think CVS is right behind Walgreens as well with this, just that the pharmacy employees are, you know, their working conditions are not great and they want to be heard. So that's why they're doing these demonstrations. And I wish them luck with this, because I just think that I'm friendly with some pharmacy employees, because a lot of them work the front counter when the managers are on break, or vice versa, the managers work the pharmacy when they're on break. So I've gotten, friendly with some of them, and they're really overworked. A lot of them are working doubles when they're probably at the front, ringing up our coupon orders. So in the comments down below, I know I have a lot of Walgreens employees. I know that this topic isn't so black and white. There's a lot of levels to it. If you wish to share, we'd love to read these comments. And if you do have prescriptions, I would get them filled right away if you can, or find a different way, like a mom and pop store or like a Walmart. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.